So this is my toilet, my old toilet with a 6-liter tank. I would like to change it to a 4.8 liter, but because it's old, I have problems with other specs, so I cannot change it. But I have another idea. Which I will show you just now. I'm gonna tie up these bottles full of water together. Now I'm gonna submerge them in the water. And I've tied it up together with a wire, and the wire is hanging over the tank to make it so that it doesn't interfere with the mechanisms inside the tank. Now I've just displaced 1.5 liters of water, so practically my tank is now 4.5 liters. The water level in the bowl is still the same, the power is still the same, the flushing power is still the same, but I'm now saving 1.5 liters per flush. So everything there is going smoothly. If you have any comments, please let's have them. And please don't forget to subscribe and like.